In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a header to Google Forms. Whether you're creating a survey, a quiz, or any form of data collection tool, adding a personalized header can make it more visually appealing and can help set the tone for the respondents. So let's dive in and get started with this simple process. First, you'll want to open up the Google form that you are working on. If you haven't created one yet, you can easily start a new form by navigating to Google Forms through your Google Drive or by visiting the Google Forms website directly. Once you have your form open, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find a palette icon which represents the theme settings. Click on this icon to open up the theme customization menu. Upon clicking the theme icon, a menu will appear on the right-hand side of your screen. This is where you can customize various aspects of your form's appearance, including the header. Scroll down within this menu until you locate the section labeled Header. This is the area you'll be focusing on to add your image. Next, you'll see an option to choose image. Clicking this button will open a window where you can select an image to use as your header. Google Forms provides a variety of pre-made themes that you can choose from, which can save you time if you're looking for something quick and easy. These themes come in various styles and colors, so you're likely to find something that fits the mood of your form. However, if you have a specific image in mind, perhaps one that aligns with your branding or the content of your form, you have the option to upload your own photo. To do this, simply click on the Upload tab within the image selection window. From here, you can drag and drop your image file or select it from your computer's file explorer. After you've chosen or uploaded your image, it will automatically apply to your form as the header, and you'll be able to see how it looks immediately. Take a moment to ensure that the image aligns well with the overall layout and that it doesn't distract from the form's content. If it needs adjusting, you can remove it and try another image, or adjust the image in a photo editing tool before re-uploading. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've added a stylish header to your Google form. This small touch goes a long way in making your form more engaging and professional. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips on using Google tools effectively.